Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Maila Fiazastra Moza. I am from English Education Study Program A class. English teachers strategies in managing large classes, a case study. Introduction. English plays very important roles in many fields of human life. It can be used in education and business to get information, job, and entertainment. Ready 2016. Richards 2015 also adds that English may be required for social survival and employment for new immigrants in English-speaking countries, an essential tool for education and business for some learners. The language of, of travel and related activities of sightseeing for others, and some learners the language popular language for the media, entertainment, the internet, and other forms of electronic communication. It can be concluded that English holds poignant function in many aspects of human life. Learning English is essential for today's generation to adapt to global communication, literature, media, and work in the present and future. Therefore, in Indonesia, English is included as a subject in the school curriculum. This is supported by Law 2007, which states that English is taught and used as a foreign language in Indonesia. It is the first foreign language learned as a company subject at school. Panggiban 2015, Hingga 2013 to widen the student understanding of English as a foreign language. Mahu 2012, p. 374. Thus, English is the first foreign language officially taught as a compulsory subject to students from junior secondary school in Indonesia. In teaching English as a foreign language, EFL, teachers as the facilitators of student learning take a variety of roles within the classroom. One of the important roles of a teacher in the teaching and learning process is being a classroom manager. R. Marzano and Pickering 2003. As a classroom manager, a teacher should have a set of skills and techniques to create a positive and productive learning environment for the students. Habibi, Mukminin Najwan, Sofwan Haswini, Marzulina Sirozi, and Harto 2018. Teachers cannot successfully teach their students if they are not in control of the class. Abneh 2012, p. 301, Law and Ain 2011. The control of students by the teachers in the classroom. Class tends to regarded as the goal of classroom management. Guijar and Nauren 2009. In summary, effective English teaching and learning cannot take a place in a poorly managed classroom. Class size is one of the influential matters in managing the classroom. Moluayong and Park 2017 argue that it can impact classroom management significantly. Moluayong, the size of a class may affect the teacher's classroom management. Koenig, Gray, and Lewis and Martin. It can make an influence the success or failure of classroom management. Class size relates to the number of students in a class. It refers to the actual number of students taught by a teacher. Enberg, Brewer, Gamoran, and Wilms 2001, Yusuf Onifed, and Bello 2016. There is no exact size for small and large or large classes, Haddad 2015. However, according to Brown 2001, for effective language learning, a class should have no more than 12 students. A classroom with too many students often presents some problem for the teacher, such a lack of individual teacher-student attention, fewer opportunities for students to speak, and insufficient teachers' feedback on students' written work. In addition, large class is usually hot, crowded, and noisy. Al-Obaidi and Al-Bahadli 2017. It affects the teaching process and student academic performance. It also reduces effective classroom control. Yusuf Onifade and Bello 2016. To overcome the problems of a large class, teachers need to have strategies to improve students' learning achievement with optimal classroom management. Several studies investigate pedagogical strategies that teachers use in teaching large classes to create positive student-teacher interaction. Solis and Turner 2016 report that disclose caring leadership and making the class feel smaller are the strategies to promote positive instruction in large classes. Haddad 2015 claims that teachers should move and around the class, reduce physical and social distance, and help the students in learning. In short, strategies have to be used by teachers to resolve large class management problems. That the problems of large classes are also faced by teachers to resolve problems of large classes are also faced by the English teachers at one of the state's Islamic junior high school, Madrasah Satnawiyah in Palembang. The school is also likely to have classes of large size. Based on our preliminary study result, a teacher had to reach 42 and 45 students in each class. It was really an overcrowded class and difficult for the teachers to control. The students were very noisy. Discomfort and lack of individual attention were the other problems in the class. However, the English teacher had their strategies to manage the classroom and make the students feel comfortable in learning. We conducted this research to know more detail about English teachers' strategies in managing a large class and students' perception of the strategies used by their English teachers in managing a large class. In specific, this research was aimed at 1. Exploring English teachers' strategies in managing large classes, and 2. Exploring the students' perception towards the strategies used by their English teachers. 3. Literature review. Teaching English as a foreign language. Teaching is a way convey knowledge to students. Teaching may be defined as a process to help students learn how to do something and understand what knowledge is given. Brown 2000. Likewise, the work of teaching includes broad cultural competence and relationship sensitivity, communication communication skill, and the combination of rigor and imagination fundamental to students' effective practice. Ball and Forzani 2009. Thus, the students can get knowledge from the teaching process by the teacher. Teaching English is an important job. Baker and Wester 2000. The objectives of teaching English are basically related to the cognitive and psychomotor domain, that the student and understand the English grammar, speak, read and write English correctly. Hagne, Heinz 2013. Teaching English as a foreign language requires teachers to deliver the English language articulately and interestingly, to encourage students to improve their English skills through listening, speaking, reading, and the role of teacher in managing the class. As the facilitator of student learning, a teacher takes on a variety of roles within the classroom. One of the most important roles of a teacher is being a classroom manager. Marzano and Pickering 2003, Richards and Rogers 2000 explain that the teacher is responsible for determining the content of what is taught, setting the interactional patterns and of classroom activities, and keeping the students organized and focused on the lesson. This indicates the important role of a teacher in determining students' success in learning. Habibi, Mukminin, Sofwan, and Sulistyo 2017. A teacher with a strong classroom management can create an environment for students to learn and behave in new and different ways without distraction. Cooper 2011, Coplin, Garton, and Burns 2014. The ability of teachers to organize classroom and manage the behavior of their students is critical to achieving positive educational outcomes. Oliver and Reschi 2007. Effective learning can begin with the creation of an exciting learning atmosphere. Therefore, classroom management is very important. In the teaching learning process, the teacher has to give the students facilities to make the teaching learning process easy, active, and more comfortable. Classroom management strategies. Management refers to skill the organization and presentation of lessons so that all pupils are actively engaged in learning. Smith and Lasses 2002. Classroom control and classroom discipline are the most commonly used concepts to refer to classroom management during teaching. Merz and Subas 2015. Management strategy is a way that is applied by the teacher in the classroom with various aspects, goals to get achievement in the learning process. According to Eisman, Edwards, and Cashman 2015, the management strategy is to redirect the students back to the lesson, to not interrupt all students' learning. By this definition, management strategy focuses on the process of learning, goal setting, policy development, and planning to achieve objectives. It can control the aim of learning itself. Classroom management is what teachers do to ensure that students engage in the task in hand. Wright 2002. Moreover, Cooper 2011 states the classroom management refers to the action teachers take to create an environment that is respectful, caring, orderly, and productive, and supports and facilitates academic and social emotional learning. The ability of teachers to organize classroom and manage the behavior of their students is critical to achieving positive educational outcomes. Oliver and Ruschi, 2007, effective learning can be gained with creating an exciting learning atmosphere. Moreover, classroom management is early very important and needs serious attention. Tauber, 2007. The teachers should apply appropriate strategies to manage their classroom so that content and students' learning can occur. Large classes. The definition of large classes may differ in different contexts. According to UNESCO 2006, in some countries, 25 and 30 students per teacher is considered large, while in other countries this is seen as a normal for even quite small, as cited in Tang 2015, p. 76. At the same time, Brown 2001 emphasizes that for language learning, a class is considered large when it has more than a dozen of students. This implies that the class occupied by more than 12 students can lead to some difficulties in dealing with individuals in the classroom. The teachers often perceive large classes as troublesome, difficult, and problematic as compared to smaller classes. The large classes have more students than available facilities can support. Ara and Hossein, 2016, Trang, 2015, argues that teaching is such large classes is really a burden to teachers. They in it difficult to engage the students in learning, and learners can feel that it's hard to participate in classroom activities. It means that in a large class, both teacher and students can face challenge. Baker and Wester, 2000, describe the challenges encouraged by the teachers and students in large English classes. The challenges are the difficulty of teachers in keeping everyone's attention, lack of students' motivation in learning English, the difficulty of students in hearing the teacher explanation, lack of opportunity of teachers in helping weaker students. Attendance can be poor and irregular, leading to lack of continuity, time consuming in taking the register. Teachers can have too much marking to do and few resources to make learning interesting. Teachers' strategies in teaching English in large classes. In teaching large classes, teachers should prepare some strategies to deal with various students with different abilities and personalities, and provide them with the opportunity to achieve the learning objectives. Some researchers have conducted studies about English teachers' strategies in managing large classes. Solis and Turner, 2016, investigate teachers' pedagogical strategies to create positive student-instructor interaction to counter students and instructors' challenges. They reported that several strategies like self-disclosure caring leadership and making the class feel smaller have positive implications for the students' leaders learning performance. In addition, Baker and Wester 2000 mentioned that the teacher's strategies in managing large classes such as 1. Planning, 2. Classroom management, 3. Organization, 4. Group and pair work, 5. Teacher talk consists of balancing teacher and student talking time, giving clear instruction, reasons for using the student's first language in the classroom, using consistent language, questioning techniques, 6. Managing classes with mixed abilities, that the classroom using that are dealing with weak, average, and stronger students, 7. Correction and marking, 8. Marking and evaluating. The strategies are required for successful large class handling. Methodology, research, design, participants, and locale of the study. In this study, we use a qualitative research design with a case study approach. Case study is one of the approaches used to investigate an issue that happens in one place. Creswell 2007 explains that a case study is the study of an issue explored through one or more cases within the bound system or multiple bound systems over time through detailed, in-depth data collection involving multiple sources of information. We use this approach because the import major data collection were in the form of qualitative data to find out strategies of English teachers in managing a large class and perception of students on strategies used by their English teachers. Additionally, a qualitative case study was in this study because the findings of this study might not be generalized to the other states' Islamic junior high schools, Madrasah Satnawiyah in Indonesia. In selecting the participation of this study, we use a purposeful sampling technique. We relied on our judgment in choosing the teachers and students to participate in this study. Purposeful sampling is the way researchers intentionally select individuals for study. Creswell 2012. This research used a maximum variation sampling strategy to develop many perspectives. Creswell 2012 and identify important common patterns. Creswell 2007. Our research participants consisted of four English teachers and 10 students at one state Madrasah Satnawiyah in Palembang, Indonesia. Qualitative research does not need to have a large number of participants. Creswell 2014. Therefore, the participants were selected because they were likely to generate useful data for this research. The English teachers were selected based on a set of characteristics. They had to possess a degree in English language education and have been teaching English for at least 5 years as an important attribute of teacher quality. Jacobs, Gregory, and Hoppe 2009. The students were selected solely based on the teachers' experience with their classes. We matched the participants' real names and personal data to protect their identities, and we inform all participants regarding this issue. Thus, the names of all research participants with initials. Data collection and analysis. Interviews, observation with note taking, and document review were employed to collect the research data. Note taking during observation is necessary to support the data for interviews. Abrar, Mukminin, Habibi, Ashrafi, Mahmud, and Marzulina, 2018. The observation sheet consisted of 7 indicators about teachers' classroom management strategies adapted for Baker and Wester's theory 2000 p. 106. Each indicator consisted of several items with a total of 24 items to identify English teachers' strategy in managing large classes. Direct observations were conducted in each classroom to get file evidence. Then each participant was interviewed to obtain information about teachers' strategies in managing large classes and students' perceptions towards those strategies. We applied one-on-one interviews with open-ended questions. We recorded all interviews by using a smartphone. We also reviewed several documents such as teachers' lesson plans and course books. The data gained from the observation and interview were analyzed by using thematic analysis to determine information about the English teachers' strategies in managing large classes and students' perception of the strategies used by their English teachers in managing large classes. First, we prepare, organize, and read the data from observation and interviews. In the process we read all transcriptions and coded the data related to the study's research questions. Then we use the coding process to generate the description for the data. We made them from the code that interconnects them. Interconnecting them means that the researchers connect the display a chronology or sequence of events when qualitative research generates a theoretical or conceptual model. Creswell 2012. Lastly, we made personal interpretation from them and codes as the final summary of this research concerning the research question. Ethical considerations. In the research, we use triangulation to validate the accuracy for our research finding gained from data collection. Triangulation corroborates evidence processed by different individuals. Creswell 2012. Subsequently, there are 6 techniques of triangulation, such as investigator triangulation, combined level triangulation, methodological triangulation, theoretical triangulation, time triangulation, and space triangulation. Cohen, Manion, and Morrison 2007. We applied a technique of methodological triangulation in this study, which we used a different method on the same object study to obtain more comprehensive data and provide confirmation of findings. Thus, the data from observation were confirmed by the data from interviews and vice versa. Finally, those the data we combine to corroborate each other to enhance our understanding of English teacher strategies in managing large classes and students' perception their English teacher strategy. Discussion. In managing large classes, the teachers conducted several classroom management strategies. All of the English teachers claim that they use the lesson plan strategy to manage the large class. The teacher used in the lesson plan as a guide in determining what and how the lesson will be taught, as well as how learning will be evaluated. Lesson plans also enable teachers to manage large classes effectively with a detailed outline of teaching and learning activities during the class. Weinstein and Mignano 2007 state the lesson plan is an important aspect that must do by the teachers. Also, good classroom management starts with planning the course book and syllabus. Baker and Wester 2000. In the research, most of the teachers prepare their course books and use other sources of English learning sources such as other print materials, videos, and songs to aid the material in the textbook. Managing classroom communication and talking time was done by the teachers in managing large classes. Classroom communication exercise for giving and receiving messages through verbal and non-verbal language. Effective communication makes learning easier and strengthens the connection and interaction among people in the classroom. Shamoshi 2014. Therefore, the teachers use both English and Indonesian language to communicate with their students to provide clear instruction and avoid misunderstandings. Subsequently, managing the talking time was also the strategy used by the English teachers. To make the talking time balanced, the English teachers explained the material simply and concisely and asked several questions to the students to respond. They also encouraged the students to ask a question about the lesson to answer the understanding of the materials. This was supported by Baker and Wester 2000, who report that students need opportunities for speaking practice, and the best way to learn to communicate is to speak. The majority of the students positively perceived the strategies used by their English teachers in managing large classes. They found that the strategies were helpful to them in learning English. They could have better understanding, practice mutual respect, and enjoy the lesson. Additionally, it was obvious that the students respect and obey their teachers and the classroom rules. Listening to the respecting the teachers is important for students to realize knowledge and attitude. Wilhelm and Pei 2008 indicate the teachers' strategies could create a good learning atmosphere for the student. Conclusion. English teachers is managing large classes and use several strategies. The strategies were planning the lesson, organizing and controlling the student, managing classroom communication and talking time, giving written and timely feedback on student works. The majority of the students positively perceived towards the strategies used by their English. Majority of students positively perspective towards and strategy teachers and managing large classes. They found that the strategies were helpful for them in the learning English. This perception should be considered a determinant of students' attitudes towards learning and reflect teachers' teaching practice in large classes. Although there is not best way to teach large classes, it might be good to review teachers' strategies in this study to address the difficulty of teaching English in large class settings. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.